choose fashion to express who I am because it's empowering. When I dress well, I feel the most confident, but I am aware that trends lead to so much waste. So I always look for more sustainable options because I care about the environment, and I know that pollution impacts marginalized communities the most. Did you know Black people are 3 times more likely to die from air pollution than white people? This is because they are 70% more likely to live in counties that are in violation of federal air pollution standards. So I was inspired to come up with my own fashion brand because trying to find a jewelry brand that offered trendy, cute, and sustainable products seemed nearly impossible. Mo.Na is a trendy brand that's committed to producing bioplastic accessories which serve as an alternative to conventional plastic accessories. The fashion industry is a top global polluter. Like me, the rest of my generation, about 31% of Gen Z, cares about making sustainable purchases. Gen Z spends about $150 billion each year on fashion, where the biggest spenders are women who follow trends, so it's crucial that trends become more sustainable. That's why our mission is to contribute a less wasteful alternative to plastic accessories while spreading awareness on these issues and giving back to communities that are vulnerable to climate injustice. Our pilot product is a 100% biodegradable gem that can be worn as an earring and degrades when exposed to the elements. We recognize reducing plastic waste is only the first step to solving the fashion waste problem, but the impact we make by educating consumers and giving back to communities is revolutionary. Our main competitors are trendy Instagram jewelry brands because we have similar target audiences. However, what sets us apart is the sustainability factor. People don't want to sacrifice personal style to make sustainable decisions. When we released our prototype, our friends were amazed. It was bioplastic made in our kitchen. This validated our goal to create a product that is fashionable and just happens to be sustainable. We launched during FFU's accelerator program, and our product sold out in just 3 days. Mo.Na has been growing rapidly since then. In around 2 months since we've launched, we've made about $3,000 in sales. We've gained a large following on Instagram, and our gems are currently being sold in local Baltimore boutiques. We have also had preliminary conversations with manufacturers about scaling up. The initial interest from people we've polled pushed us to launch in late February, and based on other brands, we decided to price our gems at $25 a pair. This was immediately validated when we sold out in just 3 days. This price is also justified by our dedication to donating $1 to various organizations for each pair sold, and this serves as an incentive for consumers to pay more for our products. Our earrings cost about just $4 to make, and with our price of $25, this gives us an outstanding profit margin of 84%. As we begin to scale up, we predict that our profit margin will only increase as our process becomes more efficient. Since our initial launch, we've made over $2,000 in revenue, we've had less than $1,000 in startup costs, and many of our initial sales consisted of college students and local Baltimoreans under the age of 30. While we are pleased by our initial revenue, we understand that there's a limit to how much we can make by just selling earrings alone. We've invested 100% of our revenue back into the business, and we plan to spend it on the expansion to other accessories and lifestyle goods, including picture frames, phone cases, sunglasses, ashtrays, etc. If we received $5,000, we could use those funds for marketing, R&D, and scaling up. We have big plans for Mo.Na. We want to continue to develop our formula to be water resistant and to have more resilient mechanical properties to the point where it can completely replace plastics in the fashion industry. We plan to buy industrial ovens to increase our production capacity. If we receive $20,000, our main priority would be to establish a pilot plant to test production in large batches. Rent costs for a studio space would be around $750 a month, and industrial ovens cost about $8,000. The rest of the funds would go towards making our product water resistant and marketing so we can reach a wider audience. And with that, here are the people who are making this possible. We are a multidisciplinary team of undergraduates passionate about the future of fashion and sustainability. Mo.Na is a sustainable and trendy alternative to plastic accessories. Our gems are not single-use. They last for as long as you take care of them, but when they are discarded, they decompose as Mother Nature intended. If there is no earth, there is no us. Humans need the world, and the world needs businesses that challenge the status quo. The world needs businesses like Mo.Na and help from grants and organizations who care about the health of our environment. But Mo.Na can't exist without the help of you all. Thank you.